8th standard English book back grammar, degrees of comparison. How to make it positive and comparative and superlative. Okay, let us see that. Oh, they are fight. Let us tell them who runs fast. Let us tell them who runs fast. Here in this picture, three pictures they have given. I run fast, I run fast, I run fast. Okay, the last one cheetah, second one and deer. Okay, ostrich. First one is ostrich, deer, cheetah. Let us tell them who runs fast. For that we need to compare their speed. Just we have to compare their speed. So that is the degrees of comparison. Let us take the ostrich runs in 40 kilometers speed. Just we have to consider as 40 kilometers speed the ostrich. Deer in 60 kilometers speed, and the cheetah runs in 80 kilometers speed. The cheetah is more. Okay, 80 kilometer. Cheetah is fast 80 kilometer, deer 60 kilometer, and ostrich 40. Here in three ways we can compare. That is positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay, so we have three types of degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative level. This is known as degrees of comparison. The comparison takes place in adjectives and sometimes in adverbs. Let's see how the word fast changes into other degrees: faster and fastest. How the word fast is positive. Fast changes into other degrees means comparative and superlative. Okay, faster it refers comparative and superlative fastest. Okay, let us solve that dispute. Ostrich runs fast when we compare it with the deer. Ostrich runs fast when we compare it with the deer. Here deer is faster than ostrich. Yes, because deer is 60 kilometer. Deer is faster than ostrich. So compare faster. If we compare all the three, if we want to compare all the three, to which degrees want to use? Superlative. So here cheetah is the fastest of all. You can compare to two positive comparatives. The best level superlative. Cheetah is the fastest of all. Rahim is the tallest of all, greatest of all. So adjective, fast is adjective. So here adjective is whatever it is, so I have to use est here. So that's comparison. Note that in the comparative degree, than is used with comparative. THAN, than is used with comparative adjective, and in the superlative degree, the is used with the superlative adjective. The before adjective the, if you have to consider as, you can consider as superlative. The before adjective than, so that is than taller, than faster. So this comparative level. We add er with the adjective to make it comparative and est to make it superlative. Er, adjective plus er, it refers comparative. Adjective plus est, superlative. See some examples. It's okay. Positive, comparative, superlative. Through the tabular column they have given it. Just let us go through it. Fast. Fast, adjective is positive. Comparative, faster. Superlative, fastest. Tall, taller, tallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Rich, positive, richer. Comparative, superlative is richest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Okay, poor, poorer, poorest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Okay, so they have given separately which is positive, which is comparative, and which is superlative. Okay, for most one syllable adjectives you make the comparative form by adding er. Yes, by adding er, comparative. By adding est, superlative. Without er and est, you can refer that positive degree. Okay, one syllable adjectives Adjective tall. Tall is only we can't split it syllabification, only one syllable. Okay, tall, taller, tallest, long, longer, longest, fast, faster, fastest. If the adjective already ends in e, you just add r. If we have end with e, that adjective, just we have to add r. One syllable adjectives ending in e. For example, adjective here large is positive, so okay, so here now we want to change comparative, the degree, the adjective large, larger, superlative largest, largest, est we have to add. Wide, so positive, comparative wider, superlative widest, est. For some adjectives you need to double the last letter before you add er. You do this when the last three letters of the word have the pattern consonant, vowel, consonant. One syllable adjectives that need a double letter. One syllable adjectives that need a double letter. Adjective big, compared to double letter big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Here only big, okay, double letters e, g, e, r. Superlative est biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. For adjectives ending in y, you make the comparative form by changing the y to an I, then adding er. Okay, adjective ending in y, how to change comparative and superlative. Happy, happier, happiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Two syllable words, how to make it positive and comparative, superlative. For most words with two syllables, or more, you make the comparative form by adding the word more before the adjective. 2 plus syllables adjective. For example, adjective here beautiful, more than 2 syllables. If we have it, we can't split it, we can't use it er, est. So here instead of that beautiful, how to use comparative? More beautiful. Superlative most beautiful. Important, more important, most important. Okay, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Just a few examples. The exceptional case, yes, good, bad, little, fair, late, much. So these are exceptional case in degrees of comparison adjectives. Adjectives types exceptional case. Good if we have positive. How to change comparative and superlative in this adjective? Good means better, better is comparative. Best, best superlative. Bad, worse, bad positive, worse comparative. Superlative worst. Little, less, least. Fair, farther, farthest. Fair, farther, farthest. Okay, otherwise fair, further, furthest. Late, later, latest. Late, later, latest. Otherwise lost. Much, that is positive. More comparative. Most superlative. Okay, they have given the fill in the blanks. Positive. Tall, tall is positive. How to make it comparative? Tall, taller. Superlative tallest. Okay, second, smarter, comparative. Then positive, how to use? Smarter means smart. Here superlative smartest. Next, largest, largest they have given. Largest means comparative here, larger, large, large, larger, largest. Okay, so here more, much, most. Superlative most. Okay, here positive much, comparative more. Okay, then superlative most. Later, late, later, latest. So okay, so they have given this through the tableau column for our understanding. Okay, only adjectives only they have given it Okay, and then we will see that how to change positive to comparative and comparative to superlative. Okay, we have three types degrees of comparison. Again, I just we have to recall: positive, comparative, superlative. So this is three type: positive without er and est. So okay, normal or adjective. In comparative, we can identify that er, adjective plus er. Otherwise before adjective than, if we have than plus adjective er, okay, than taller, than greater. Okay, so next superlative, only adjective plus est: tallest, greatest, smallest. Okay, otherwise before the tallest, the greatest. So okay, so we can identify that superlative and comparative. Okay, thank you.